Forget cookie cutter, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath Colonial has been holding its ground since the 1800s and looks good doing it. Inside, you'll find an oversized mudroom that could swallow up every pair of sneakers, boots, and flip-flops you own. The backyard, it doesn't quit. Your steps from the Delaware River and boat launch, which means your weekends just went from what should we do to kayak, fish, or float. This house doesn't just whisper vacation vibes, it flat out shouts them. Now let's go check it out.